Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some glue which is really strong at your home. So you only need few ingredients. The first thing is some styrofoam right here, some styrofoam and some acetone. You can use petrol or gasoline too, and also you need a container which should be made of some metal, glass or PET. So let's do this. Alright, let's do this. You put styrofoam in a container. First you need to put styrofoam in a container, and pour some acetone. It's about 10 ml of acetone. Pour it. That is it. Styrofoam is completely dissolved in acetone. We can add a little bit more styrofoam. Yeah, that's good. That's it. A little more. Then mix it with a metal rod. Oh, that is it. Your glue is ready. You can use it to stick literally anything. It is very strong. That is it. You can add more styrofoam if you want for greater consistency to make this glue a little bit thicker. If you like my channel, subscribe it. Goodbye.